On my way to Christmas Alley, again on Spaccanapoli. It'll become clear when we're there. This upcoming is Via San Gregorio Armeno, or otherwise known as Christmas Alley. It's basically got a lot of wooden crafts, bric-a-brac. Can't stand that phrase, it's too generic. It's a lot of crafty stuff, Christmas stuff. Spider-Man. It is Spider-Man. So good, I like it. Here's the stencil again. Don't know what these people are saying. Now, that was Christmas Alley. There's also a Banksy, the only Banksy in Italy. I believe actually there were two, and one, well, it was basically graffitied over, as you do. That's the whole essence of street art, easy come, easy go. But there is a Banksy down there. So we're just going to go and capture that as well on GoPro. Well, more Maradona. 1, 2. And this Banksy is a stencil from, I think, 2016. It's been protected. Still here, amazingly. It's not been cut out of the wall like all ruined, as a lot of them eventually are, usually within a week or so. This has lasted about 8 years, so not bad. There is a crowd. This is Madonna. It's a picture of the Madonna and a gun over it, which I think is it's a reflection on Naples being a very Catholic religious city, but also a history of crime. You kind of wonder if the neighbouring restaurant just gets pissed off with the amount of people that are, you know, come to the area, rock up next to the restaurant, don't actually go in for food, or maybe they're glad of it. There's another similar one there, actually, I've just noticed. It's probably a copy. Hang on, I like a copy. Good copy. What's this? There's a copy of it. Weirdly, about 10 metres away from it. It's the copy and the original. I didn't even know that was there. Clearly a copy of it. I've come slightly north of the Centro Storico to see, weirdly, two staircases, two palazzo staircases in different buildings. They are up here somewhere. Just thought I'd tag this onto the end of the Christmas alley stroke Banksy video. Bit of street art there. I won't take a photo of that one. Right, for all your staircase needs, this video is for you. This is why you sat and waited right to the end. Right, Palazzo dello Spagnolo is the first one, which I think is this archway. There's so many archways, so many courtyards. I think it's this one. It is, and on cue there's a white van. First one down. Second one coming up. This is for me, the eternal sound of Rome is this siren. hear that all the time in Rome. The couple of times I've been there, it's all the time, day and night. Some of these moped drivers are completely mental. I could have a video just actually here, it'd be quite a good place. We come out of nowhere. Palazzo Sanfelice, I think this one is. This was a bit more run down than the other one. Wow, well there you go. Hope you enjoyed the show. I'm going to sit in now for the next half hour and just watch mopeds go back and forth. Hope you've enjoyed the show. I will see you later. All at more mopeds. More mopeds. Wow, that was a nearly crash.